Hey guys, stay tuned. I'm going to talk about M1 Finance and give you a review of M1 Finance. So, I've been with M1 Finance only, I guess, going on close to 2 months, about 7 weeks now. I really enjoy it, but let's give a full review of what I see so far with my account. So, right now I'm at $2,300 in my account. I mean, it's been somewhat of a choppy market the past month or so. But as you can tell, the diagram, I'm going nice and steady up. But most of this is not from value in my account going up, but it's because I choose to make daily deposits. So my account is, going nice and steady up. So I'm taking an aggressive approach. As you can see in here, market gains roughly $30, $7 in dividends. So different, you're able to pick slices of what you want to do. And let me give you a brief for any of those. I mean, most of you watching this video probably know about M1, but let me give you a brief rundown of those who do not know much about M1 Finance. M1 Finance is a stock platform where you can buy stocks commission free, and you can build a stock, purchase a stock no matter what the price. Say you want to buy into Amazon, you only have $20 to buy into Amazon. That's okay. You'll buy a fractional share of Amazon, and you can keep on building your account until you have, complete shares. I'll show you later in the video. Whereas, I still don't even have one share of Amazon because Amazon's at $1,900 a share, and I only have $2,300 in my account, and I'm diversified over many stocks. So how I have broken my pies down to is, you, like I said, you can get stocks, and you can either have each stock as a pie, or you can have pies and then pies within a pie, where you have basically this, so right now on mine, Dividend 1, I have 12 dividend paying stocks in Dividend 1 account. This big money account is my Amazons, my Netflix, my Apple, and a few others that are mostly my growth stocks. Dividend 3 and 2 are the same as 1. They're all dividend payers, some quarterly, some monthly. Funds is where I follow basically the S&P funds and a few different other funds. And speculative is just a crapshoot. Stocks, I think, have a potential to go way up. And as you can see, that one's been doing really good so far. That's the one I'm up the most. I'm up 16% on this one in less than 2 months. So let's see. Funding. This is just how you fund your account. As you can see, I'm on daily deposit. So every single day I deposit 25 is the least amount. 2 of the days of the week I deposit 25. 2 days of the week I deposit 30. Then 1 day is an open day where I don't have it scheduled coming out of my account, where I deposit what I want to deposit. As you can see, I deposited $100 this past week was my open day, and sometimes I do more than that. Borrow is, I really haven't played around with Borrow, but it's basically where you can borrow low interest loans, but I think the criteria is you have to have $25,000 in your account before you can participate in the Borrow. Research is exactly what it is, where you can research the markets. It shows you, latest news on stocks. My Pies is a good tool. These are ones I was considering putting in. Airlines. These are different pies you can add to your account. And Dividend Aristocrat is, stocks that have, constantly went up in dividends for at least 25 years. But those I have not added to my portfolio. I probably won't, so I'll probably just take those out. But below is my portfolio. So this is a good tool to use. You click on that, and it shows you your account. Right now I have 49 stocks in my account with a 4.2 yield minus expense ratio. So I'm basically just a little over 4%, which is good. But I have a couple quarterlies that have a real low dividend, so that's bringing this down. And then obviously I have approximately 5 holdings in here that don't have any dividends, so that's bringing it down as well. Like the Amazon has no dividend, Netflix has no dividend, and then a couple of my speculatives have no dividends in them at all. Without this, I would say I'm closer to probably over 5% when you take out the non-dividend stocks. Activity. So yeah, this is real good lately. The dividends have been really good to me this week. I think it marks the first time ever that I've had every day of the week I've had a dividend added to my account. So that's really good. It means my dividends are finally starting to pay off a little bit, so those should increase very well. And the last thing I'll show you is my holdings. So as you can see here, Amazon, it's my biggest holding, but I still only own 0.05 shares of Amazon. So that's what I love about M1 Finance. I can build it up if I build this up for the next 10 years, who knows how many shares I can have. Hopefully, quite a bit. And hopefully it'll be on the same track record as it has the last 10 years. So 99, so that's my biggest holding. It did go down the last couple of days. I was over $100, so I wanted to make the video when I was over 100 because that was kind of a milestone, my first stock in this account that went over $100. But as you can see, Nvidia, which is a very low dividend stock, Amazon's no dividend, and as you can see, these are some of my fund accounts that follow the S&P 500, Delta Airlines, McDonald's, and a few others. Shares, the biggest one I own is Plug Power. It's in my speculative account. It's like at $1.90 a share. I'm basically break even on this one. It's a non-dividend paying one, but this I expect to grow. So that's it on the review, guys. I really love M1 Finance. I highly recommend it. I'll keep a link down below if you want to get involved. This is my stock portfolio. This is what I do. I enjoy showing you my videos and my accounts. So don't feel like you have to join, but if you want to, I will leave the link down below. And some of you have joined through me, and I really, really appreciate it. It really helps me do more of these videos. It shows me that I'm giving you some value and doing these videos, so I really enjoy that. So I will cut it off there. If you have any specific questions, anything you want, any videos you want me to do, showing you specifics. One last thing I wanted to touch on was one thing I do not like. So M1 Finance, if you're listening to me. So M1 Finance, like on the pies, there's no easy way. Say I have a dividend stock in here and I want to move it to my speculative account. I want to balance my pies out. There's no easy way to do it where I can just switch one pie to another pie. Because some of these pies I started off and I wanted to do them a certain way. Now they're kind of not going in the direction I want, so I want to move a few. I do know of a way to do it. So if you guys want me to do a video on that specifically, I will do it. But basically, it's, say you want to, DMO, you want to move this to a different one. So basically, you are going to sell this stock, and then you're going to go to the pie you want. You're going to click add and buy, and then you're going to buy this into the stock, buying the same exact amount that you just sold it for. And I think that's a workaround on being able to move one pie to another. But that's the only way I know. And with M1 Finance, it makes it easy because they don't charge you commissions. So it's easy to do that, and you really don't miss out on anything. But again, guys, I made this video a little too long. I really hope you enjoy the review. And please like and subscribe, and take care. Happy investing out there. Bye.